Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Apex Legends on your PC. Now for this, we are going to use the Steam application. So all you have to do is simply launch the Steam application on your PC and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. Now from here, all you have to do is find the search bar at the top, it is, and search for Apex Legends. Then click on enter to search for it. And then from the search results, you should see it's the first one. So simply click on it to select it. And then you should see an overview of what this game is all about. So you can see a description of what it's all about. Sorry. You can see the description, the reviewed, and all other details. Now, before you can install the game, all you have to do is simply scroll down until you find the system requirements section and ensure that your PC meets either the minimum or the recommended system requirements to play this game. Now, once you're done, simply scroll back up and then find this option, Play Apex Legend. So all you have to do is simply click on Add to Library. And then you should see this notification, Apex Legend has been added to your account. It's now available in your Steam library. Now simply press OK. And then all you have to do is simply click on Library at the top left corner. And then from here, find Apex Legends. So here it is, click on it. And then now you should see the install button. So all you have to do is simply click on install. And then you should either choose to create a desktop shortcut or create a startup menu shortcut. So choose the one that you prefer. So I'll just say create a desktop shortcut. And then this is the installation location you'd like to install that particular game. Now, if you have a couple of drives, you can simply choose another drive from here. So all you have to do is simply select the settings wheel to get to this page. And then from here, simply click on this drop-down arrow, choose another drive location, and add that drive to be the one that you'll use to install Apex Legends. Now, once you have changed the installation location and you have chosen the shortcut you prefer to create, so all you have to do is simply click on install. And then you have to read this end user license agreement. So once you read it all, simply select accept. And then there you go. The game will begin downloading on your PC. So that's basically it on how to download Apex Legends on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.